Hey everyone, this is Jim here with another video about the GMX leverage trading bot. I told you I'm going to update you in the upcoming weeks. It's been a while because I had a lot of things to do, but I'm back with an update, and this one is a big one. If you are not sure about what I'm talking about, watch my previous video on GMX Trading Bot. You will basically learn how to set up your software on your PC when you connect your wallet address, private key, and you can trade automatically on GMX exchange, which means it's completely decentralized. You can trade from your MetaMask wallet basically, which is what I do, and I'm going to show you results after 1.5 months. Even though the results on the dashboard that I prepared myself are just 1 month of results, because the 2 weeks I wasn't tracking the transactions. So yeah, for anyone that's wondering on and wants to trade on using decentralized trading on GMX or Uniswap, watch this video, because I'm going to show you how to actually use a very profitable trading bot that's open source and free on GitHub. Of course, they have a premium version, but as you can see, I use the free one. I use the demo version. So I'm going to buy the premium next month, but I wanted to do a test with the free version so people from YouTube and GitHub and my other social media can jump on it and start trading right away. So yeah, let's talk a little bit about how it works. It's a grid trading bot, which means it sets up a grid based on your settings. I selected wrapped ETH and USDC tokens, which means I am using $2,600 to trade a long grid on wrapped ETH price range, price market. So I have 26% rate cover, which means if Ethereum is 2,000, I have 26% of the entire price range covered with my buy orders, and then I have for every 30 seconds it checks the position, and if I'm making money, what's the price, etc. I accidentally click on a clear logs, so I can't show you, but that's you will have to just understand from what I'm saying. As for the total orders, it's 26 as well, which means for every 1% of the price of Ethereum up to 26%, I have one buy order for each percent. So if it drops 1%, I'm buying with $100. If it drops another percent, I'm buying with another $100, because it's 2,600 divided by 26, so it's $100 per order. So if Ethereum drops right now after I start trading 1%, I buy $100 of Ethereum, and if it jumps back up 0.85%, I'm going to make $1. Okay, it's roughly a dollar. Sorry. So for every 1% of price change, I make $1. It may not seem as a lot, but it can do, one profit transaction every 15 minutes, basically, based on volatility. So it's quite a lot, as I will show you in my monthly profit. So I have 0.85% profit percentage, because that's the best that ever worked for me. I also tried 0.9, and it's also good, but anything above that, it's too long term. You wait a lot, and I like fast frequency trading. The leverage is 2, so I multiply my collateral by 2, so I have $200 USD on every buy order, which helps. I can of course put 3, 4, or 5 if I have enough collateral, like to not get liquidated. So with small budgets of $1,000, for example, you can put a free multiplier and trade with $3,000 just like I am, and you don't need to, you know, have that much money on hand. That's why GMX Leverage Trading Bot is really cool, because it uses leverage, not like the other trading bots like Uniswap one. There is no leverage on Uniswap, you know. So this is my settings. You can of course copy it exactly like it is, and you will get different results because every month is different. The price moves different and the volatility is different. But this is something that worked for me for a month and a half already. And for the past 2 years, I've been using similar settings in my other grid bots that were on Binance and KuCoin. So you can copy that and just change, you know, the rate cover, total orders, and your investment, and it should work perfectly. Now, let's get to the dashboard. I programmed a simple dashboard that shows me my daily profit. As you can see, it's an average of $20. It's not 20, it's like $14 per day. So I make $14 per day using $2,600, as you can see here. 2,600. I switched those bots so it's displaying incorrectly. These 1,000 is actually here, and it made 6% already. So basically what I'm making a month is roughly 8%, the give or take. So from, let's say, from $3,000 I would be making around $280. So let's see if my math is correct. It would be 10%, it would be 300. So yeah, $260 per month. But I'm using leverage, which means it's double. So for my $3,000 averaged, I am making $500 approximately per month, which is just astronomical. Like, holy shit. It's completely beyond my expectations. Of course, when it dropped a lot, my grid trading bot stopped. It stopped because I filled the entire 26% gap, but then it went back up, and I made $70 in a day. So no, it was around $55 that day. So yeah, I mean, guys, if you want to get into trading and trading bots and basically making money on autopilot, I think this is the best way to do it, because I tested it for quite a while, and making 8% a month is just straight out of a fairy tale, basically. I learned a lot watching the bot think and make decisions, and it's actually not it's not simple, but it's a very great concept, and I'm just blown away, like completely mind blown, that these people are giving away a free demo that actually works and made me $500, and I can wait for 3 months and buy the premium version with the money that it generated, you know. So big props to them. I'm definitely going to link them in the description, because these guys are my fucking heroes. If I get $50,000 or $60,000 and I can, you know, distribute it into multiple bots, I can literally make 8% a month and live completely on the passive income that it generates with different pairs and shit, which is exactly what I wanted, because I am afraid to put $50,000 onto Binance, for example. There is no way Binance is getting $50,000 from me. So I needed a decentralized bot that I can, connect just my wallet and trade directly with their contract, and that's what the GMX Trading Bot is basically created for. So guys from DeFiX that made this, thank you. Like, I really appreciate it. You guys are pioneering the trading bot industry completely. So thanks a lot. Now back to the topic. This is what I wanted to show you guys. My monthly update. Please let me know any questions in the comments. I will try to answer anything you guys need. And I'm also looking into creating a community of trading users. I will do a Discord or Telegram, and we can talk about how our bots are set up, how much profit we are making and what markets are the best for trading. And I really hope you guys join it after you try the demo, because it's amazing. So let me know any feedback, and I talk to you guys in the next video. Have a great day.